All right, let's get into it. 1974 Pontiac Grand Prix. Paint is in decent shape. She has minor blemishes and imperfections. Top is in excellent condition. She has the sunroof. Driver side frame and floor pans. Passenger side. Deck lid is in excellent shape. Trunk has minor surface that can be knocked down and treated, but she's very solid. Nothing's cancerous. Interior is absolutely beautiful. She got bucket seats, console. Y'all know Pontiac is infamous for the gauges. Look like she got an aftermarket gauge cluster right there. Dash is in excellent shape. Lower dash. As y'all can see on the mileage, she reads 76,266. Headliner good. Back seat shows no wear. Package tray nice and clean. She has the Pontiac 400 backed by a 3-speed automatic, power brakes, power steering, AC. And if you know about Pontiac engines, there was no small or big block. I think there was a small block for the 80 through 81 model year, but most of all of them are the same dimensions. It's just the internals are different. They're not like Buick, Oldsmobile, and Chevy.